be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I've been going crazy with this shoe this summer. I feel like this is the fourth one. Did I cop all four? I think I did. Man, let me take this off of here. I think this is because I did a short on this one. Yep, I did a short on this one. If you haven't seen that, this is the black and white, the Panda AJKO. Man, these are pretty nice. As you can see, the blue and white here, the shadow colorway there. So the Kentucky, the shadow, the Panda right here. All right, these are these have been going hard for me this summer, man. Put that back up there. Put the Yeezy back up there. But I got another one in just the other day. And decided I wanted to bring this to you. My favorite summer model. This is one of my favorite summer models. I've been really wearing these shoes. As you can see, it's dirt around there. I actually messed these up, man. I was wearing them, I was doing some work around the house, and I got some like sealant on the other one. On which one is it? On this one, like right there on the tongue. I got some sealant on there. Might have to figure out how to get that out, but I don't care, I'm gonna wear them anyway. But today we got these. Here's another Nike box, as you can see. And these are the AJKO 1 Low. Alright, colorway for these bad boys, black, varsity red, and sail. Alright, and I got them in a size 13. Alright, size 13 in these bad boys. Alright, now I know I probably said on this channel before, a colorway that I don't need to have anymore, I don't care to have this colorway anymore, is the black and red, the Bred colorway. Oh my god, Bred, it's the Bred colorway, it's the greatest colorway ever. It's not my favorite colorway, but man, I like this shoe. Like, I really like the shoe. So when I saw it, I said I'm gonna want it, and then I was also able to get it for a little under retail. So that just sold me. I think I got them for like $10 to $12 off. I had to go for it, man. But let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice. But one second. Here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. And if I didn't mention it, I got these from Lapstone and Hammer. All right. Left. First, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The AJKO Low in the black and red colorway. Man, these are nice. These are very, very nice, man. Not gonna front. Not gonna front. These are dope. Are they my favorites? No. No. This one's not my favorite of the four, but still very clean. I don't know which one's my favorite. It might be the shadows, honestly. I kind of feel like that's been my go-to of the summer. That's probably why I messed them up, because I had them on when I probably shouldn't have had them on. I should have took those off when I was working around the house. I should have took them off. That's my mistake. But yeah, these are dope, man. I like the way that the red hits. The red really pops out on this shoe, and that's a difference maker here, man. That red really pops. I like canvas shoes. I think the AJKO is one of the shoes that looks better as a low than it does as a high. Like, I still have a few pairs of the highs, but the low AJKOs are better to me. Like, they're way better. They fit better on your feet. They're more comfortable. Like, the same could be said to me as far as dunks. Like, I like dunk lows better than I do dunk highs. But, I mean, I only have one pair of dunk lows. But these to me are like dunk lows. They are like that. They come with the red laces. All right. The swoosh on the shoe is leather. It's not the canvas material. Also on the back where the Wings logo is leather, not canvas. Red Nike on the tongue. Has your sizing and shoe information here. So that's the size 13 and your shoe information there. On the inside, red Nike logo. All right. Black insole, red Nike logo, similar to that of the tongue. All right. Did I mention the red laces? I think I did. Black laces come installed on the shoes, and then the red come as an alternate. All right. I don't remember. I did. Okay. I was going to say on the blue pair, I don't remember alternate laces, but they do come with the white ones. They do come with the white ones. All right. So yeah, man, these are those. Red bottoms. All right. Typical Jordan bottoms. Very nice. Traction is going to be amazing. I wouldn't recommend hooping in these, but the traction is amazing. And you got your sail midsole going all the way around. These are available. These are sitting on Nike.com and plenty of other sites right now. I highly recommend these. Even if you buy them now and then just put them up for the spring and summer, great, because these are some of those shoes that you can just throw on. Look at that red. Look how that red pops against that black. Ooh, especially right here. I like that they did the canvas, the black is the canvas and then the red as the leather. I think that adds to the look. I think that helps that red pop a little bit more because of that leather. And then on the toe box, you also had that red. These are nice, man. Definitely recommend these. They're easy to find right now. You can get them. You might be able to even get them right now for under retail. And if you can do that, easy recommendation. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.